Hi there, today we talk about how to impart STEM education to your children. When it comes to technological innovation, the United States remains number one. Firstly, discover your child's natural affinity and academic aptitude. 2. Provide an environment that will instill a healthy balance among your child's IQ, intelligence quotient, EQ, emotional quotient, and PQ, physical and physiological quotient. 3. Teach children about the ways in which science and technology add value to the quality of human lives. 4. Create a science and technology environment outside of school. 5. Bring science and technology closer to life by pointing out its daily applications. 6. On a regular basis, conduct a task analysis in relation to metacognition standards. 7. Explain that science and technology can lead to fame and monetary gain. 8. Teach critical inquiry skills to your child in the early stages of his or her life.